Well, finally, after 3 hours of sitting dead in the water, we are on our way to the Pink Beach in Komodo Island.
If you're gonna eat it, maybe it's okay.
Yeah, it's part of the fishing.
How beautiful that water is, you guys. It's so clean and clear. This must be the Pink Beach, hon.
It's a little pink.
It is a little pink.
A little pinker than the last pink beach we were at.
True. Okay, you can see we're at the Pink Beach. And the sand is pink. A lot pinker than the last Pink Beach we were at. It is so pretty. So pretty. Wow. And the water is so clean and clear. Oh, I just love this. Absolutely beautiful. Did you dig some holes?
I dug some holes.
Did you find anything?
Pink sand.
Just more pink sand?
Yes.
Yeah. All right, next part of our adventure, Komodo dragons. Komodo dragons. Going to the national park here on Komodo Island. So one thing we found out when we got on board yesterday with the boat is that they don't have any drinks and snacks there. So you can't buy anything on the boat. So we brought extra money. We're gonna purchase some stuff while here on the island, stock up for the next couple days while we'll be out at sea and cruising around the islands here.
And especially in Komodo Island, and so now we are in Komodo village. And today we have 4 local guides that accompany to find a Komodo dragon.
Hello everyone. So my name is Ibrahim. You can call me Baim. Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Last one.
My name is Adi, but you can call me Alex.
Alex.
Yeah, Mr. Ransom.
Okay, so look the map. There are 3 options for the trekking. And the first for the short trek, 1 kilometer, spend more the time 45 minutes, go and back. And medium trek, 1.5 kilometers, spend more the time 1 hour. The long trek, 2 kilometers, spend more time 2 hours.
So they're bringing us through the Komodo village first. We're walking by some vendors and stuff, and we're gonna head out on a little trail around to try to find the Komodo dragons. Hey Dave,
Yeah.
isn't it wild to like walk through and see technology among like this very kind of primitive
Like
area?
cell phones,
Yeah, people with cell phones.
videos, like almost retired in Thailand.
It's
crazy.
really wild.
It's not like there's anything else to do.
We've had our first Komodo dragon sighting, and I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can catch him for you. He's right up there. Let's see if I can focus in on him. He's right there in the middle walking. You see him? There he is. Cool. Look at, holy moly, there he is.
So we are lucky to find them, the old one. This is the king of Komodo dragon.
He blends right in, doesn't he?
And Komodo dragon, they are quickly, they can run. And normal 18-20 kilometers per hour.
Fast.
Yeah.
20, very fast, yeah.
It's just all distance.
You can see he's recently eaten. His
Hello,
belly.
wait.
His belly is quite full. He's a big guy, that's for sure.
It's more working. It's a danger, guys. Up. Yeah. Stop.
Oh, jar surami waktu lu kuning penam ini.
But don't worry, don't panic, yeah? Like me.
Jaketnya gerang mana? Penam enggak?
Yet another Komodo dragon. This is the fourth one we have seen. Only been walking maybe about 15 minutes or so, and they're all super close together. There's like 1,600 of the Komodo dragons here on this island, so it seems rather common to see them here, and they actually come down into the villages. You'll see that the houses are built up on stilts for two reasons: to keep the Komodo dragons out, and also because of the tides and flooding and stuff like that. He's on the move.
Pointing dragon. 1, 2, 3. Dia kita
So this is like a little amusement park ride. Hanging out here in the village. It's wild.
You want to go for a ride on that?
Yeah. Huh. It's wild. So we bought some drinks as we're passing through the village, and I just said to Dave, I'm like, you know, we know there's a markup on some of the stuff that we're buying, but you really kind of don't mind paying it, because when you walk through here and you see how people live and how desperate they are to really...
You did buy a Komodo dragon though.
Yeah, we did, and we paid far too much for it, but that's okay. But we're supporting the community, and this is how they live, through tourists coming through and seeing these animals. Our tour is coming to an end with the Komodo Island, and that will be it. I think I'll call it quits for the day, and that will be the end of this video. So hold tight for more adventures from Kim and Dave as we continue on this awesome cruise of the islands here outside of Lombok. So we're back on the boat, and we had a mishap earlier where our car would not start, and thankfully they got it started again and we were on our way. Well, guess what? Our boat is dead in the water once again, and it's unfixable this time. So what's going to happen is the other boat that is partnered with this company, they're going to come out and they're going to pick us up, and we are going to be moving boats essentially. And because we've lost valuable time, we're trying to figure out what we're willing to give up and what we really want to keep. So there was a debate going on here with everybody, and we're all sitting around here discussing, and it's come down to the fact that most of us are okay with passing up the waterfall, or definitely passing up playing volleyball on like the last day, which it would have been a beach day type of experience. We've already kind of been to the beach today, so we were like, okay, we can not do that, and see if we can do the manta rays and do the whale shark experience, and maybe consider the waterfall. So we'll see what happens. We'll keep you posted, but right now we're all just hanging out. Just chilling. Get started pretty soon. Start packing up our cabins to get ready to move over to the other boat. I am hoping, crossing fingers, that actually the other boat will be in a little bit better shape than this one, because this is kind of roughing it. This is, I would say, even a little bit more rough than Everest Base Camp hike was. We don't have a sink in our bathroom, so we're using the shower to wash our hands, and it's just very primitive, cabin and stuff. At least we have air conditioning in there, which, by the way, is not working that great right now. It was working really well last night, but now it's not working great. So who knows what's up with that, but stay tuned.